Hello friends, welcome to Competitors World. Competitors World को आप लोगों को स्वागत करছি. So friends, I have an important information regarding OPSC ASO for you. So as you expected, the OPSC did not publish the notification in the next, that is the last week of September or in the first of your October. Okay. So one doubt is arising in the mind of the students: when will the OPSC release the notification of assistant section officer? Okay. So let me clear. Uh, when will OPSC release the notification? OPSC केबे notification release करियो से विषय में discussion करियो केबे कौन करियो and why it is getting delayed, कौन ପାଇଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ delay ହେଉଛି for the notification to be released. Okay, so the main reason for the notification which is getting delayed is आपण मानकर ओपीएससी रो बहुत गुड हेक्टिक शेड्यूल अछि बर्तमान एग्जामिनेशन प्रेशर बहुत रोज ओपीएस ऊपर. So for that reason you see OPSC has not published the mains result of your Odisha civil services sorry prelims result ए पर्यंत रिलीज इन 2020 ର ଆଉ 2019 ର जो फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट सेटा बहुत लेट रे आसिला. ओके एंड दैट वाज अनएक्सपेक्टेड. ସେଇଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଲଗା ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ଅଛି and for my case I have already applied for the assistant professor examination and that has not been released. Okay, the shortlisting has not been done. Okay, so এইଭଳିଆ କେସ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ OPSC ପାଖରେ ଅଛି. So but you need not to be worried because notification will definitely come. Notification definitely ଆସିବ, there is no doubt. Okay, and notification ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବ there would not be enough time in your hand. Okay, ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆଉ ଅଧିକ ଟାଇମ୍ ନଥିବ, ଆପଣମାନେ worried ହେଇଯିବେ ମାନେ. So for that reason what you have to do, you must start your preparation from right now. Okay, एବେठू ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ preparation start କରିବାର ଅଛି, otherwise you will not be able to fight with the emerging competition that is going on right now. Okay, ଏବେ जो competition ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚାଲିଛି, so in order to cope up with the present context you must start your preparation right now. Okay, आपण मानक एबेठू ही प्रिपरेशन आपनकर कंटिन्यू करिया ପାଇଁ पड़िबो, अदरवाइज that would not be enough time in your hand. आपण मानक हाथ रे सेतळ समय नथिबो टू थिंक, भाबिया ପାଇଁ ଆଉ समय नथिबो कि कोन करबी कोन नहीं. So आपण माने फर्स्ट सिलेबस को जाई कि प्रिपरेशन ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर दियंतु. Examination will be definitely held in the month of that is your January. Okay, January, and by the end of January your examination will be over. Okay, and आमे तो examination date को accurately कहि परिबेनी, but January most probably January the examination will be held. And if we'll talk about the notification date, notification केबे आसीबो. Okay, so notification is expected, not expected, is confirmed. Okay, to be released in the that is your last week of your October end रे आसीबो notification, definitely आसीबो. And you will be given 1 month for the application process will be continued for 1 month. Okay, and after that within 2 months your examination will be held. Okay, so then October also, by the end of November your all your procedures will be done regarding application procedures. And तापरे कौन हबो, नवेम्बर सुधा हले नवेम्बर टू डिसेम्बर, डिसेम्बर टू जनवरी. So by the end of January, at the last week January, your examination schedule will be published. January end रे publish हेबार chances maximum to maximum अछि. So वर्तमान मु गोटे कथा ही कहबी. So we do not have enough time to think about the notification. Okay, so many students are there who are neglecting their preparation and just thinking about the notification. Okay, well, after the notification is released they would start their preparation. But remember, if you start your preparation at the very last moment, then how can you expect that you'll get a good rank among the lakhs of students. Okay, so many students from various backgrounds, though maximum job holders, are intending to apply for the post of assistant section officer. Okay, so ସେମାନେ assistant section पर they are eagerly waiting. ସେମାନେ बहुत eagerly waiting अछंती. Many students who are posted outside, they also want to come to the central zone. And so for this reason competition is going to be very tough. And ମୁଁ କହି ଦଉଛି କି competition ଟା ବହୁତ tough ହବା ଯାଉଛି, because you don't think that the number of posts is near about 800 and last time it was 500 and 300 additional posts are there. and competition would not, cut-off marks will not go much higher. So this is a wrong interpretation. Okay, so upon interpretation absolutely wrong. This time cutoff would go higher, not that much, but from the previous year. Okay, if you compare to the previous year, then this time the cutoff would be higher. आपण मानको कट ऑफ अधिका देखा पड़ो each and every section. Okay, so what happened, the people are not aware in the last year, पिला माने बहुत एते aware नथिले regarding the examination, because the examination syllabus was completely changed. So for that reason many students are not aware, but now they are okay, they are very much aware about the examination. So one humble request to all of you, that do not wait for the notification to come, and don't search again and again on the YouTube regarding the notification date. Okay, so no one will tell you the exact notification date of assistant section officer. Okay, so the notification will definitely come, there is no doubt. Okay, notification definitely 100% by the end of this month you will definitely get the notification, and you will be given 1 month time for the to apply for the post, and after that you will given 1.5 to 2 months for the for preparation, and after that examination will be held. So for that reason, so without getting delayed, you should start your preparation right now. Okay, so what you have to do, you should focus more on audio and English, and after that you should start preparation for the reasoning and maths, because less time is given for the reasoning and math. Reasoning and math ପାଇଁ बहुत कम समय दिया जाଉଛି, so for that reason you should give more focus towards the math and reasoning. And another thing, that is your GK part. So GK part you need to practice, you need to continue your practice regularly, and you should give more important on your current affairs. Okay, so current affair को बेसिक गुरुत्व देबे. So wish you all the very best for the upcoming ASO examination. Okay, so and many students are in dilemma that regarding the OPSC mains and your assistant section officer. So ମୁଁ କହିବି, so in order to achieve success in a particular field, so you need to focus one of them. Okay, so ଗୋଟେ ରେ ବେଶୀ focus କରନ୍ତୁ, and you will definitely achieve your goal. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot, may God bless you. And one thing, before ending the video, subscribe this channel if you're not subscribed, give a like and press the bell icon so that you will get regular updates from me. So thank you so much, thanks a lot for watching this video. May God bless you. Thanks a lot.